Well, life has certainly been a journey, and I wasn't born a black diamond, that's for sure. I'm not much different than anyone else. And a lot of times you see someone at a higher rank in Monavie or that has achieved something in life, and you don't see everything that's happened in their life and the journey that took them there. I'm the oldest of 6 children, and grew up here in Southern California. Beautiful ocean coast here. Going through high school, obviously surfing here in Southern California, fell into a lifestyle that was, a lot of partying and a lot of surfing. And so, in my 20s, I started to realize that, in my early 20s, started to realize that, something was going to have to change. And because of the guidance of my parents, and I had just wonderful parents growing up, I was fortunate enough to have that. They taught me some very good lessons. They always encouraged me, even though it was an unconditional love that they gave me, and in that process, it really helped me to grow up and to become a better man.
I met Daryl about 19 years ago, and he's been my partner in business and life ever since. And we started the rewarding journey of network marketing together, first part-time because we had an advertising business, and then later on full-time as we discovered how much we enjoyed the business and realized that it could really give us the goals and dreams that we desired in life.
The lifestyle that Monavie offers people is, some of the simple things that you sometimes don't realize. Just a simple walk on the beach on a Wednesday afternoon. And what's important about that is that not just the walk on the beach on a Wednesday afternoon, but without the worry of how am I going to make payroll this week, or how am I going to pay my bills, or whatever the case may be. I mean, if you look around you, a lot of people are not enjoying their life. And so what Monavie offers is not only the lifestyle within the Monavie family, it allows me to kind of free up my mind in thinking about some of the places I'd like to go. And that's something that brings me a lot of fulfillment as well, because fun is, there's got to be some recreation in your life. It can't be all work and everything for others. And certainly that's the starting point. But there's a lifestyle at the end of it where you can spend time with your family and enjoy some of those dreams and goals that you have, whatever those goals are. I lost my only sister when I was 24 years old, and that was in an automobile accident, and it turned our family's life around. And what I realized in that process is that I knew that life was short, and while I'm on this planet, I wanted to make a difference. I didn't know where the vehicle was. I didn't know what I would do, or how I would, where I would end up using my talents and my abilities. But I did know this, is that I needed to pursue something that I could help people in some way, shape, or form. And what I found with Monavie is that, I've been able to see some of those dreams become a reality, that I've been able to free up some time that I never had in my life to be able to help other people, because, truly this business has been a fulfilling experience to this point, in that getting to Black Diamond has been a process of helping people. And what a great business. And helping people from a health standpoint, and helping them from a wealth standpoint. So, I see myself furthering that, obviously in other areas, but it's an incredible foundation to a future that, I see as my ultimate fulfillment.